Now we will have one more friend, okay? And yes, Sarah, are you there? Sarah is joining. Okay. So now, how do you feel? Like before you joined Eggheads, and now you have joined it. So, what is the difference that you see?
I
Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Shreya. Garima, this is not the project PPT. This is just an experience PPT that Shobna
Oh.
ma'am has asked Shreya to prepare. I so wanted you to just come and have a join us and see. Okay, so I will
My
not
pleasure,
talk.
my pleasure.
I will not talk. Shreya will talk, and this was all Shobna ma'am's thing. Okay, so Shreya, please.
Okay.
Please tell us what you have done your PPT. Start from the first page and tell us what have you done.
Uh, this is taught by Shobana ma'am.
Yes, you start. You forget that I'm here. Nobody is here. You will talk freely. Speak.
This is a poem. Its name is In the Heart of a Seed.
Nice.
Whatever you have written, you just share that. Okay. Go to your poem and tell our new friend Garima that how did you write your poem, as you have told me.
Manjana ma'am taught us about growing plants. I did it and started loving to grow plants. She showed her cat to me and my friends. It was white color and it had black spots on it. It was lovely to see. I love to touch it, but I don't know where is she. This is taught by my maths teacher Manjunath sir. This is my first class in Eggets with Manjunath sir in Eggets. I learned about fractions like fraction, unlike fraction, mixed fraction, improper fraction, and proper fraction. I loved the class. My drama teacher name is Kavya ma'am. I learned about storytelling. We played a game. I showed my cat to her. She liked it. She taught us some type of voices in the last class. I loved it. I loved the class.
Wow. So sweet.
Now,
Thanks, Shreya. Lovely. I'm really touched. Thank you so much. Thank you.
and now Sarah is there. I'm just waiting for Sarah to join. I think she is having some issues with the computer anyways. As you are here, I want to show you the project PPT that that Shreya has made, and she has done it all alone. I am just playing what she has done. Whatever edit and all that I will do for my mother PPT. That is a different thing. But this is what Shreya has done. I
Okay.
am playing it.
Kshitija, can you show your camera? Can you on your camera? Advait, you can unmute yourself. All of us are participating in the class. Unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
And feel free to talk.
This was all Shreya. I'm just playing it as I have got it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm going to now send all of the things. I've taken all the thing picture, but I don't know how to send the video. So after my father finishes his nap, I'll ask him to send it.
What all you have sent me, dear?
No, ma'am, I'm sending the observation sheet, the measurements, the photos, and then my daily journal thing, then my poem, and yeah, and that's it.
You have already You have already sent it to me, dear Kshitija?
No, I'm sending it, ma'am. I don't know how to do it. That's why I'm just trying.
Okay, you can ask your father to help you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Sarah, you have forwarded your mail, right? Yes or no? Yes?
Sarah, you're on mute.
Unmute you.
Yes, I send it.
Okay, fine, perfect. So this is what your friend Shreya has done. So all your PPTs will come together, and that we will talk about later. So just Shri, enjoying each of your handiwork. Okay. So yes, this is how she has done it. It is absolutely hard,
Beautiful.
Garima. It is only Shreya. Like I haven't done anything. I've just received it and I'm sharing it with you.
This is beautiful.
You wait for the climax.
Seriously. Nice. Nice. You can talk about it. You keep
So she
talking
will
while
talk.
showing me the PPT.
Yeah, she will talk about it. I'm just sharing it with you as of now. I'm
Okay.
compiling everything in the mother PPT and then they will definitely talk. This is just I'm like sharing with you what these beautiful kids are doing.
Nice.
Okay. So now comes
Wow.
This is Sita and this is Sibli.
Nice. Day 5, day 6. Beautiful. Shreya, in how many days is Methi ready to be plucked?
I don't know. I'll wait there. I'll show you.
Sorry?
I'll show you that.
You are showing me right now.
she will show us live.
Wow. So it is ready to be consumed now?
I don't know when I will pluck it, but I don't like to pluck it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't like to
All
plug
her-
it, I know.
all our hard work. Now
Yeah.
this is the best part, Garima, and all of you, please look and hear.
दरवाजे बंद कर देंगे। वो दरवाजे बंद कर।
Hey everyone, this is day 3 of
Advait, don't put your hand on the camera, please.
maths.
Garima, you're telling something?
No, I asked Advait not to put his hand on the camera. He can see how the, and you can participate and feel free to ask a question, right, Advait? Yeah, sorry, carry on.
Yes, yes.
It's here to here. It's a seed. When seeds get enough water, air and warmth, they grow into new plants. The growth of a baby plant or a seedling from a seed is called germination. The external covering of a seed is termed as a seed coat. It protects the seed inside. Its color varies from plant to plant. Scad. The spot when the seed is attached to the plant is known as scad. There is a small hole on just top of the scad through which a seed absorbs water. This is the scar. This plant is known as mugda. Seed leaves or cotyledon. When we remove the seed coat, we get cotyledons. They store food for the baby plant inside. Here is known as cotyledons. Here this baby plant. It is present in the cotyledon. It grows a new root system and a shoot system and develops into a new plant. Hey guys, this is coriander seeds. See, you can see a little plant here. It has germinated. Monocotyledons. The seed which has only one cotyledon is known as monocotyledons. Example: rice, wheat, peas, etc. Hi everyone, today I'm going to measure my seedling growth. First I'm taking some thread, cut it. Now just take it and measure it. The plant. Oh, I will measure it here. Okay, till here. Keep it like this. And take a scale. How many this mud place? 7 centimeters. Thank you.
1 Wonderful. Excellent, Shreya. Amazing. This is
Shreya?
so good.
Shreya, where are you?
Ah,
Huh? Yes.
I am here.
Very nice. Amazing, Shreya. Keep it up.
And all these things, no, like measuring and taking a video and putting it, it is all Shreya. Trust me, Garima. I am nowhere. I
I
might have taught you. That's it.
editing in Filmigo, it went black.
What dear?
It was colorful after editing in Filmigo. It went black.
It's okay.
No
It
problem.
does not
Still, it is
matter.
good.
It's absolutely fine. When there
Okay,
was no
nice.
color, they were black
Who
and white
go-
movies only, no?
No
Yes.
problem.
So,
Who goes next?
Sarah, can you share your PPT with us from your end? Will you?
Yes.
Yes, dear, please.
Yes.
So now you just share your
Ma'am, I
PPT.
sent my observation sheet in your.
You have to send the pictures. Okay, okay, Kshitija. I'll get back
Yes,
to you.
ma'am.
Yes,
And the
Sarah.
video, I will send it in the evening.
Yes, Kshitija, I'll get back to you, dear, in a minute. Yes. Yes, Sarah. Again, Garima, it is like they. I have just asked them, and to be very honest, I'm looking for the first time what Sarah has done. So I will
Oh,
be
great.
equally surprised as you will be. And I just can't stop smiling. Yes, Sarah. Can you take us through your PPT?
Yes.
Yes, please. You can talk
What?
also. You can talk also, as you will be talking in your presentation. Yes.
Okay. What needs freedom? Every living thing has the freedom to live. Plant, animals, and humans. No one has the right to hurt any living creature, not even plants. So every living thing has the freedom to live.
Yes, Sarah. Can you like,
Tara, can you be little straight and don't put your hand on your cheek so your voice would be clear, right?
Okay.
And put it on the slideshow mode. You
Yeah.
first put enable editing over, click enable editing above,
Okay.
where there is a protected view bar open, no? Yeah, click enable editing.
yes.
Now you will be able to move it, huh?
Okay.
Yes.
Now, yeah, if you can sit, yeah, you sit straight and talk, then your voice will be much clearer, right? Now, yeah, go ahead, please.
These are the extinct animals, and on the right are the recently extinct animals. And these are the endangered animals which are about to be extinct of this world. Then, like the animal rights movement, it's the animal rights movement, sometimes called the animal liberation, animal personhood, or animal advocacy movement, is a social movement which seeks an end to the rigid moral and legal distinction drawn between human and non-human animals, an end to the status of animal as property, and an end to their use in the research, food, clothing, and entertainment industries. Then drug testing. Monkeys, dogs, rabbits, rats, and mice have been used to test drugs for humans for half a century. Laws and regulatory agencies worldwide currently require that medicines are tested on animals before clinical trials on humans. Millions of animals are used in these cruel tests worldwide every year. How are animals being extinct? Animals are being extinct because of drug testing.
hunting, environmental, climate change, and natural disasters. How can we help the nature and planet Earth to live well further? We can grow more plants and trees, at least one big plant or two small ones. We can reduce pollution. Why is pollution harmful for us? Pollutions form muddy landscapes, poison soil and waterways, or kill plants and animals. Humans are also regularly harmed by pollution. Long-term exposure to air pollution, for example, can lead to chronic respiratory disease, lung cancer, and other diseases. Toxic chemicals that accumulate in top predators can make some species unsafe to eat. Then this is my poem, A Plant. I like seeds, I like plants. They're so green, I feel I can dance. First they are tiny seeds, then they grow into big plants. Sometimes they grow into big trees with many fruits and many greens.
Very nice. Good.
Then seed to a seedling. I am a seed big and strong, everyone eats me together all. One day a young girl planted me, which was fairest of all. I grew into a plant big and tall. From a seed to a seedling, I am no longer useless like a weed, not at all.
Wonderful.
Lovely.
Nice.
Lovely.
Then these are the pictures of my plants. The
Nice.
first one is day 1. Then the second one is day 3. The third one is day 7. Then they grew into tall plants. And these are my observation sheets. Thank you.
Wonderful, Sarah. Very good. Amazingly well.
Excellent. Excellent.
Wonderful done. Okay, so when you were observing, Sarah, can you go back to your observation sheets?
Yes.
Okay, can you read that out? What is it?
Day 0, no growth. Day 3, the seedling grew only a little. Day 5, it had grew into tiny saplings. Day 7, it had grew into a healthy and strong sapling. Day 9, it started to grow leaves. Day 11, its leaves has completely grown out of the seed. Day 13, it grew really tall and it had big leaves.
Great. So which seed was it that you have? So which plant or which seed was it?
Beans.
You should write the name, right?
Yes.
What beans you had tried to grow, which seed. Okay. Did you? Okay. Here you have written the type of seed. Yeah. Wonderful. Okay. So did you encounter any problem while the germination of the beans? It was
Yes.
all smooth throughout the egg.
No, I had some problems.
Like?
Like in the first 3 days, the plant wasn't growing at all. So I kept it in a place where there was a lot of sunlight, and I gave it water 2 times a day because one time water wasn't helping. So I had to water it 2 times, and then it started to grow. And then when it became too tall, then it started to like bend a lot. So I had to put a stick to make it straight.
Yeah, so you have beside your day observations, you have to put like that. That day 1 till 3 days there was no growth, so I started doing like that, and then you put it on the sunlight. Then you saw it such and such, and you saw that you were putting less of water. So you thought you're putting less of water, so you have to put more water, right?
Yes.
So write your detailed observation, and also on this chart, day 0, day 3, 5, 7, 9. Then again day 1. Oh, it is 11 and 13 and 15, right?
That's 11 and 15. Yes.
Okay. Okay, okay, fine, fine, no problem. Yeah, but you write your observations like this, that this was the issue that you faced and how did you corrected it.
Okay.
We will work it out,
Yeah.
Sarah. Don't worry, I'm here.
Okay.
Okay.
No worries. Yeah, ma'am is there to work it out. Yeah, wonderful, amazingly good done. Very nice.
Thank you.
Great, great. All the best, dear. Yeah, so who goes next?
I think Kshitija has just sent me some pictures. I have to look into it and put it into the mother PPT.
Okay.
So I had
No
three
problem.
girls.
So Kshitija would be, can she share it from her end?
Kshitija, can you share the pictures with us at least now?
I'm sorry, I can't.
What happened, Kshitija? Any problem? You can share your system, no?
No, it's there. I'm doing it from my laptop, whereas the pictures are in my father's phone.
Okay, 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 okay. No problem. So, will you like to talk about it?
No, I think I'm fine.
You think you are fine?
I
Okay.
have not written it in the PPT. I will write and send you.
Yes, you will add me the poem. You can click the picture and also type and send it to me. Your poem. Only one sheet is enough. You send me. I will add it. Okay. Don't worry. Kshitija. Kshitija. Yes. Can you share why we did home gardening? And as our project central theme was freedom for all, so why we did home gardening? What is the reason?
So that maybe.
Kshitija, on your camera, dear. We are not able to see you.
Yeah. Can you see?
No, its camera is showing off.
No, but I put it on.
Can you see yourself on your screen?
Nope.
Then how will I see?
Okay, let me just fix it.
Yeah.
So as Kshitija is fixing it, I will share what we will be doing. There will be one PPT. In that, Sarah's PPT, Shreya's PPT, and Kshitija's observation will go.
I'll make it again. I'll make a PPT again.
You will make, yes, fine. You make and you send it, not a problem. This is
Okay, so Advait, Advait, can you write up? So Manjira ma'am has a plan. She's sharing with all of you what is required. Yeah, Manjira, I'm on silent. You share what is it that they can do.
okay. Absolutely. Yes, and I will come back to you, Garima, if I need any clarification or anything, or if you wish that anything we can add more. So
Sure.
yes, girls and
Yeah.
Advait.
Just brief Advait how he can contribute.
Yes,
Yeah.
Advait.
Yeah.
You said and you shared that your mom grows a lot of plants and trees, right, Advait?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, can you write maybe a poem or write up like how plants feel when the air is so polluted?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you can do that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can make it as a poem, okay? Or you can make it as an observation. That I leave it up to you. But if you can write maybe 5 lines or 6 lines of a poem, like how the plants and trees and the forests are suffering because of the bad air.
I already have a small tomato seedling, ma'am.
Is it? When did you plant it?
2 weeks ago.
Excellent. Show us.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, that is excellent. Acha, kids, I will just, no, okay, fine, let it be. It's okay. Yes. So,
My laptop is going to off. Can I bring my charger?
yes, yes, please. Run.
All lamps will have someone else doing.
Yes. Where is your tomato seed?
And this is small tomato.
Ah,
There, ma'am.
all some tomato. Wow. Nice. Beautiful. Now you can write a small poem, or I think a poem will be fine, like how the plants are suffering because of air pollution and all. Okay. Yes. So when will you send that to me, Advait? You tell me. Tomorrow afternoon. Yes. Now you please kindly note the email ID when I will share the PPT. You will send it there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will share the screen.
No.
Okay. Now Sarah. Acha, Advait, first you note down the mail ID. info@eggheadsedu.com.
1 minute, ma'am.
Or you can just take a screenshot. Just
1 minute, ma'am.
okay, dear. I am giving you the time. You take it.
Same thing as yesterday's.
Acha.
The same thing
Now,
also.
Sarah, the way you started, okay, the same way you will start, but the only difference will be I will be controlling the PPT, right? So
Yes.
this will be the first page. After that, the central theme will come. Okay. Then the project title. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
When I put the central theme, then after the central theme, there will be project title. After that, whatever slides you have made, right? Those slides will be there. I will add it. Like I have added Shreya's slide. Can you see that I have already added Shreya's slide here?
Yes.
I have just changed it a bit so to match the color, but it is all about Shreya writing. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, Shreya, can you see? It is your slide only.
Yes.
Only ma'am has added it. Okay?
But the color has changed.
Only the color has changed, nothing else. Okay? Are you liking the color? It's okay, Shreya?
Yes, I like yellow.
It's bright, so everybody can see it, right? Yes. So similarly, Sarah, after this project title, the first part of your PPT I'll insert. Okay. Where you just spoke about endangered and everything, whatever you spoke. Okay. Now, you can do two things. Either you can read what is there, or you can just speak from your understanding using your own language. Let the PPT be there. Don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay.
Or you read it. That I leave it up to you. Whatever you prefer, whatever you are comfortable with, you do that. Okay, Sarah?
Okay.
Okay. So after you have completed speaking, then, okay, this will be the next slide. Welcome to our project presentation. Then your slides will come. Okay. The first few slides, right? Where you are talking about endangered species and everything. I can put the images for you. Okay. But I will keep your write-up. Okay.
Okay.
Now, after that, entirely Shreya's presentation will come. Shreya will present and she will talk about her presentation. Okay. And And in the video also, she's speaking. So that covers a lot. So once Shreya is over, similarly, this page, it will be written that, hi, I am Sarah. I am presenting my home garden. Exactly like Shreya has written. Right?
Okay.
So Sarah, do you write Sarah, or after Sarah, what do you write?
Sarah Sheikh.
Sarah Sheikh.
Yes.
Okay. Can you just type it to me for the spelling? In capitals, type your name to me. Okay. So that I don't make any spelling mistakes.
I will send it in the chat.
Very good. Thank you, dear. So similarly, when Shreya's observation and everything will be over, then your home garden will start. After Shreya's video is over, then your home garden will start. Clear? All your observation sheet and everything will be there. And yes. Then after Sarah is done, then I will put up Kshitija's. Kshitija, are you there? Okay. After Sarah, Kshitija's poem and pictures, whatever she'll send me, I'll put. After Kshitija, or no, Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
You know Sarah, right? You know her face, right? This
Yes, ma'am.
is Sarah, right? Okay. So after Sarah completes her observation about her home garden, then you will tell your poem, whatever you will write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You can also say that why we should save plants, why we should take care of animals, why we should give them their freedom. Yes, yes, Abdullah.
Microsoft Word, can I send it to you?
Can you switch off your video and speak? Yes.
In Microsoft Word, can I type and send you?
Yes, yes, you can send it to me in Microsoft Word. Absolutely fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And you will also say that why do we need to give freedom to every living being? Can you say that for all of us?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want, you can also write that and send it to me for correction. That why freedom for all. Then you write whatever comes to your mind. Okay,
Okay.
Advait?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Kshitija, are you there with me? Kshitija? Kshitija?
Now can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Kshitija. So after
Yes, ma'am.
Advait completes his speaking, whatever you will send me your observation sheet and everything, I will put that slideshow and then you will have to talk that what problems you faced and whatever
Ma'am.
you said.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, don't use those photos, ma'am. I'll again make a full PPT and send it, ma'am.
When will you send me, Kshitija? I have to prepare the PPT latest by tomorrow evening and I have to send it to others to have a look and like.
I'll send it by 5
When 5? What 5?
today PM.
Today 5 p.m. you will send me pictures or PPT?
PPT.
Are you sure?
Yes.
And if you fail to send, then what will happen?
Then maybe you could use the pictures itself.
Make sure that you send me the PPT.
Yes, ma'am.
Good girl. So after Advait, so what is the sequence, Sarah?
Yes.
What is the sequence? Who will speak first?
First, Shreya.
You.
Me?
First you are talking, no?
Yes.
Opening the project, talking about endangered species and everything. After that, Shreya will give her presentation. Okay?
Okay.
After Shreya's presentation, you will give your presentation, Sarah.
Okay.
After Sarah, Advait will talk. Okay, Advait? After Advait, Kshitija will speak about her home garden. Okay? Yes,
Okay.
Kshitija? And Kshitija, will you
Yes.
conclude the project presentation for all of us? Sharing, how will you conclude? Tell me.
I don't
What do you think you should tell to close the project
know
presentation?
what.
Hmm? Yes, Kshitija. What can you say?
I don't know how to end it.
Sarah, if I ask you how to have a conclusion and end the project presentation, uh, what can you say? I want it to come from you. I will speak at the last if required. Tell me, Sarah. Yesterday you have somewhat concluded, right? Remember?
Yes.
And what were you talking about?
I was talking about
We were talking about how plants are important, right?
yeah. Yes.
If we burn them, then animals will not live and we will also become endangered, right? Kshitija,
Yes.
I think you were also adding some points to this, isn't it? Okay.
No.
Okay. So, can you speak on these lines? Like why we should save a forest? Why we should give freedom to the animals?
We should give freedom to the animals because if we don't give freedom to the animals, then they will not give us food. And then if we don't get food, then we will also become endangered.
Yes, absolutely. So, Sarah, you also prepare for the conclusion. Okay.
Okay.
Kshitija, you also prepare for
Yes.
the conclusion. Okay.
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 Both of you will prepare, and I might ask both of you to share your views one by one. Maybe first Kshitija, and finally Sarah will conclude. And how do you end a presentation, Sarah? Can you tell me? For all of us, from all of us, if I ask you to conclude and end the presentation, you are opening the presentation and you are ending the presentation. For opening, how do you say? You say, I welcome all of you for our presentation, or I welcome all of you today on our project presentation day.
Okay.
This is very simple, right?
Yes.
And how you close it? I thank you all for joining us on our project presentation day.
Okay.
That's how you end, by thanking whoever has joined. Before
Okay.
that, you conclude exactly the way you said right now, right?
Okay.
And trust me, Sarah and Shreya, I can't say how happy I am by looking at your PPT. I just don't have any words. Seriously, if I could, I would have given both of you beard hugs. But it's just that Sarah is in Middle East and Shreya is in Mysore. If only I could fly. So is it clear? So Shreya, you will send me your poem. When will
Can
you
I
send?
click it pictures?
You can click a picture nicely. Do you have a scanner in your mobile?
Yes, camera scanner.
Yes, click a picture, scan it, send it to me.
Okay.
Okay, so I will add that. So when you will see that in your slide, You will recite the poem. That's it. Okay. And Shreya, do you have your observation sheets also? Have you written? Yes or no?
Yes.
So can you click the picture of your observation sheets also so that I can add it?
Okay.
Whatever you have written, don't worry.
Ma'am, but I am.
You have written or not? If you haven't
I have
written, it's
written.
okay.
I have written, but it's not neat.
Who is looking? I am looking, no?
Hmm.
What is the problem? Don't worry. Okay. And Sarah, you have sent your PPT, right?
Yes.
Can you, I want your problems and how you found your solution. Like, I'll show you. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Like Shreya did. So I will add it, not a problem, but I want your problems and your solutions, right? Like this.
Okay.
Whatever was your problems.
So
That-
I should edit the PPT and resend it?
Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, before that, you can you add your experience also into your PPT?
Yes.
So you need to just add 2 more slides. One with what problems you faced and how you solved your problem. And second, your overall experience. So this has nothing to do with conclusion and everything. This is your experience. You can just see what Shreya has written, and you can also add your class experience in 2 lines, like other classes also.
Okay.
That you can do. It's okay. Project doesn't mean you have to only talk about this. You can talk about your complete experience. Can you do it?
Yes.
Now, dear, by 5 p.m. can you send it to me, or do you
Yes.
need some more time? You tell me. I leave
No,
it up to
I
you.
can send it by 5 p.m.
You can send it by 5 p.m. Like 5 p.m. Your 5 p.m. or my 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Your 5 p.m. or my 5 p.m.
My 5 p.m.
Your 5 p.m. So what is the time there right now?
It's 2:53.
It's almost 3 o'clock, right?
Yes.
Okay. So by your 5 p.m. you will send it to me, right?
Okay.
That means okay, fine. It will be my 6:30.
Yes.
Perfect. So I don't for Shreya, I don't want for Shreya nothing to say, only your observation sheet and poem picture. Sarah, only those 2 slides. And Advait, you are sending me tomorrow, right? Close your video. Switch off your video.
Yes, ma'am. I'll send it by tomorrow afternoon.
Okay, so what all you will send, tell me.
First, I'll write like not to kill. First, I
Yes.
will write not to kill plants or any animals.
Why? To give them freedom. Yes.
Then I will give my poem.
Poem on what?
Poem on plants, animals, both.
Yes, you can write how difficult it has become for plants because the air is so polluted and everything. Okay. So afternoon means which time, Advait? Can you give me a time, please? You can take your own time and tell me, ma'am, by this time I will send.
By about tomorrow 12:30 p.m.
Tomorrow 12:30 p.m. Perfect. Saturday 12:30 p.m. Good. Sarah is sending me by her 5 p.m. Very good. Shreya, when will you send me? Right after the class?
Only to click pictures. No?
Only poem picture and observation sheet picture. Nothing.
But after this class, I want to go somewhere.
You want to go somewhere? Acha, go. Then when will you send me? Tell me.
I'll send you at 6:30.
Pakka. Good girl.
Ma'am, sorry today I was late. Yesterday I have no idea. Just I wrote some points.
It's okay. It's absolutely fine. Nothing to be sorry of. You know, I feel like I'm not being able to give you Cadbury and chocolates. Actually, I do this for all my kids. Like whoever comes to me, or like my niece and nephew. But I really feel that if only I could give you some Cadbury, some hugs, some kisses, some cuddles, and what do you say, some tickling. I so really want to do that. You kids are amazing. And Sarah and Shreya and even Kshitija. I'm waiting for Kshitija's PPT. As and when it comes, I can also praise her. But Shreya, first day when you came and today, ah, what development? Are you liking it, Shreya?
I have a diary. I will write in that.
Are you liking these classes?
Huh?
Are you enjoying the classes with eggheads? Yes or no?
Yes, first I don't know English little bit also.
And now?
I was mixing English and Kannada and speaking.
And now what are you doing?
I know how to speak English properly.
Excellent. And Sarah, will you please share your experience with us, like the class experience, not only the project, all the classes, whatever you feel, please feel free to share and express.
I like the eggheads classes. They're, I think they're way better than my normal school.
Okay.
Because in the normal school, the teacher is just explaining and you don't have time to ask questions to them.
Mm-hmm.
But over here, we're free to ask anything.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
That's I really love eggheads.
Lovely, lovely. That is what we want for all you kids, like to ask, and ask. How do you think scientists become scientists? Only if they were not allowed to ask questions. No scientists, no?
Yeah.
So keep asking questions. And I really wish and hope that I continue to have Sarah, Kshitija, and Shreya as my students for the coming months as well. Okay? Because I love interacting with you. I don't know about you. I hope it's okay, the science class. No, not that bad. Sarah? Okay,
Yes.
okay. Chalo, okay is good. Shreya, okay? Science class is okay?
Okay.
Kshitija, okay or bad?
I won't comment.
Why? I want all of you to share your views. How has your experience been about eggheads classes? Kshitija, you want to share? You want to share? Yes or no?
I don't know, I said.
You don't know. Okay. Acha, Shreya, Sarah, Kshitija, Advait. Do you know when is your project presentation day?
Tuesday.
Sarah,
Yes,
when it is?
on Monday.
Tuesday. Monday or Tuesday?
Sarah, you tell me when it is. Whatever you know.
Monday.
Shreya,
Tuesday.
when Tuesday?
Ma'am, coming Tuesday.
Time.
3:30.
3:30 India time, right? Yes. Sarah, Kshitija, Shreya, and Advait, your parents must have received a mail. Okay. You will get the link and the time. The India time is mentioned there. So you adjust accordingly. This is for Sarah. Right? Let me again confirm it with you. I have confirmed it with Shreya, but I also want to confirm again before we end today's class. Kshitija, when will you be sending me your PPT?
I told at 5, right?
5 p.m. Okay, perfect. Yes. So you are my grade 5, right? So grade 5, it is 29th of September, Tuesday, India time 3:30. You must have received a mail, Sarah. You can check the mail, and it is your same timing as class timing, but only the day is different. Okay.
Okay.
So when it is 29th of September, coming Tuesday, 3:30 p.m. India time. Okay, all of you? So I believe all of you are absolutely ready for the project presentation day. I just need to add whatever Advait and Kshitija will send me. Shreya and Sarah, you have already forwarded. Sarah, just edit and forward. Okay? The revised PPT by your time, 5 p.m. Done deal?
Yes, I didn't receive the email for the presentation game.
You haven't received the email for presentation yet? Okay. But I am telling you and confirming you, and I'll make sure you receive the presentation email again. Okay.
Okay.
It's Tuesday, 29th of September, 3:30 p.m. India time. Okay. So for 3:30, your parents will join. You will join latest by 3:15. I want you to join by 3, like India time 3.
Okay.
So like today, when did you join for your class? 2 p.m.
Yes.
So for your project day, you will join at 1:45 latest.
Okay.
So that before we start the presentation, I can show you the PPT once. Okay.
Okay.
So your date and time is clear. I will make sure that Sarah, you get your parents get the mail again if they have missed it somehow. Okay, dear.
Okay.
Now, do you want anything to? Do you want to ask me anything? Any doubts as of now you have?
No.
Sarah, I don't think you have any doubt. Shreya also, because you have done your PPT, so you're very clear, right? What, Sarah? You want to tell me some?
Ma'am,
No, I was telling to my mother.
Yes, Shreya, you want to tell me
ma'am,
some?
I don't know. I'll send before 7 o'clock because I'll come here at 6:30.
Okay, dear, you send me within 8 p.m. today. That will be okay? Okay. Very good. Kshitija, by 5 p.m., I must receive your PPT, and Advait tomorrow 12:30 p.m. Right? All of you? Perfect. So,
Okay.
good girl. I'm really excited for my presentation. So, yes, Sarah, you want to tell me something? Anything you want to tell me?
Yes, can you repeat again?
Do you want to tell me something, or everything is okay at your end?
Everything is okay.
Excellent. Okay. So you start working on editing your PPT, Sarah. Kshitija, start working on your PPT, and we will wind up the class for today. Okay?
Okay.
And we will meet On Tuesday, Shreya, you will be joining me late. Shreya, Kshitija, and Advait. You have to join me latest by 3:15 p.m. on 29th of September, Tuesday. Okay?
And when will you be here?
I will join by 3.
Okay.
Okay? I will join by 3 and I will be waiting for you to join. As you join, so that I can just go through the PPT once.
I should join by 1:45 over here.
Yes, latest.
Okay.
Your time 1:30, I will be here.
Okay.
Okay, Advait? All of you can join 30 minutes before your session because I will be there.
Okay.
But not late than 15 minutes before your session.
Okay.
All of you. Okay, dear?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then let's wind up. And if you have any question, keep sending me emails or WhatsApps. Nothing to worry about that. I will give you answers.
Okay.
Okay, dear?
Okay.
Okay, then all of you, as of now, can leave your session and continue doing whatever work you have to do. Okay, bye-bye, Advait, Sarah, Shreya, and Kshitija. Bye-bye, and thank you so much for making such lovely PPTs.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. Bye, dear. Bye-bye. You... Okay, don't worry, nothing to worry. I will get it. Yes, Kshitija, you can leave your session and start working on your PPT. Yes, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, all of you. Bye.